Kasama po ba si Mary Grace Piatos sa mga nilista niyong testigo na gusto niyong ipatawag na impeachment court sa trial against Vice President Sara Duterte? Do you expect to see Mary Grace Piatos sa impeachment trial?
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Well, for me, the only reason why I'm really pushing for July 6 is because the people have been waiting for this for so long. No? I've said this before, the grounds in the first impeachment back in the 19th Congress and the grounds for impeachment during the present process is almost the same. And since then, wala pa tayong narinig na maliwanag na sagot ng respondent vice president. So we are hoping that when we start the trial, somehow the Filipino people will begin to hear the genuine defense from the respondent vice president.
Okay, we'll now entertain question from Jonathan. Question?
Hello po, Kongs. Kasama po ba si Mary Grace Piatos sa mga nilista niyong testigo na gusto niyong ipatawag na impeachment court sa trial against Vice President Sara Duterte?
Hindi po yata kami allowed na sagutin yan.
Kahit yun.
Well, I hope you understand because there is certain parameters that were laid by the Senate rules that we are not allowed to discuss the merits of the case. Kaya pasensya na po kayo kung bakit medyo limitado lamang ang aming mga pupwedeng sagutin.
Pero makikita po ba yung ng publiko yung pre-trial brief ninyo?
Well, I believe that since this is a public hearing, no? I wish to believe that the pre-trial order to be issued by the impeachment court will be shared to the public. No? Pero mas okay na sa kanila na lang manggaling kesa sa amin.
Thank you po.
Wait lang po. Pwede pa sundot lang. Yes or no na lang po. Meron po bang kayong witness na magko-corroborate daw po nung testimonya ni Ramil Madriaga? So, sige na.
Prosex, quick follow-up lang po dun sa tanong. Because lead Prosex Luis Cho, your committee proceedings was called Fishing Expedition during the peak that it's running. But the same exhibits that were present there as confirmed by you is also being used by the defense who questioned the validity and credibility of those exact exhibits and they want it marked separately. Prosecutor Ridon said the same observation. Sabi niya, ito yung very exhibits na kine-question noon ng defense BP camp. What's your comment on this observation, ma'am?
Well, I share the position of Kong Redon that somehow there is an operation of estoppel, which means that the fact that you are using the same documents, meaning you are waiving your questions as to their admissibility. Nonetheless, I cannot discuss deeper.
In a more layman's term lang, I guess, for the public, ano pong insinuation?
Siguro po pwede natin sabihin na dito hindi na nila po pwedeng questionin yung ebidensya na aming ipipresenta dahil ganun din ang ebidensya na kanilang isusumite. So parang inaamin na nila na itong ebidensyang to ay mahalaga para po dito sa hearing.
So for the record po, is this a subtle admission that somehow, bago pa magsimula yung trial, lahat ng exhibits na galing sa Justice Committee at nilatag nyo doon ay totoo, credible, to the extent that they also want to use it?
Depende yan kung paano nila gagamitin. Baka mamaya gagamitin nila para i-discredit yung ebidensya. So, tingnan natin kung paano nila gagamitin yung ebidensya.
All right, we'll now give the floor to Red Mendoza.
Hi po, Kong. Good afternoon. Kong, may first question, Kong, kasi may lumabas na video si Attorney Bel Zamora about yung presentation nyo as prosecutors, and maraming nag-comment daw doon, sinasabi nila na saan daw nanggaling, sino nag-fund ng video na yon, and marami daw nagko-comment na bakit daw kailangan pa ng video ng prosecutors. What's your take po doon sa criticism na ba't kailangan pa ng magpakita ng video ang mga prosecutors doon or mag-introduce ang prosecutors through a video? Sino po nag-fund ng video na yon?
Alam mo, maganda dito kasi sa nangyayari sa atin, dito sa impeachment, marami ang mga nagkukusa na mag-contribute in whatever way. In fact, may mga iba pa nga po na nagte-text sa amin na baka po pwede maging parte sila ng comms at sa sarili nilang effort, wala kaming gastos, ay sila rin. So, ganun din dito. Pati sa mga legal, marami pong hanggang ngayon, may mga nagpipresenta pa rin po na maging parte. Kaya lamang po, pinipili lamang po namin lahat ang mga nagbo-volunteer.
Pero kasi
Kayo po, baka gusto ninyo mag-volunteer din.
Hindi po. Marami po kasi
Hindi.
nagko-comment kasi na parang mas natatawa sila na bakit kailangan pang i-present nyo po yung sarili niyo sa prosecution or present nyo po sarili niyo sa media dahil everyday naman po nagpapakita, nag-present ng statements po ang House prosecution while ang defense naman po ay sobrang tahimik because they're following the process or they're following their
Alam
order.
po ninyo, hindi mo naman mapipigilan kung ano yung mga gustong i-contribute ng mga tao eh. So, in their own little way, gusto nila na makatulong. So, siguro gusto rin nila kasi na gawin ito para ma-promote din itong impeachment, magkaroon ng kaalaman ang ating mga kababayan dahil syempre, hindi naman po lahat nauunawaan kung ano po ito. Kaya may mga tao na gumagawa ng paraan ng mga interesado na sa kanilang tingin, ito yung po pwede nilang i-contribute para sa bayan.
Second question po. You said po, Chair, na you propose po 62 days for the trial and sa defense po 30 days. I'd just like to ask lang po, why 62 days? Kasi there are some comments na yung 62 days na trial date ay parang pinapahaba ninyo just to pull down the Vice President's ratings. Is it true or bakit po ang haba ng trial 62 days?
Well,
Yung defense po 30 days lang po.
Nakita naman po ninyo paano mo ipepresenta yung 4,000 documents sa isang confidential fund kung 5 araw lang, 10 araw lang. Di po ba? So, depende kasi yan sa dami ng testigo. Pero ito po kasi, hindi ibig sabihin porke 62 days ang aming pinropose, i-maximize namin yan. So, pwede pong dumating ang pagkakataon na sa tingin po namin, 2 articles pa lang ang aming naipepresenta pero matibay na ang ebidensya. Po pwedeng hindi na namin ipresenta yung ibang articles. So, po pwedeng matapos na doon pa lamang. So, kailangan mo siyempre i-maximize yung po pwede mong magawa dahil pag ikaw ay kinapos, mas delikado kasi ito pong number of days na ipepresenta po namin magiging parte po to ng pre-trial order. So, kagaya po na sinabi sa ating kanina ni Chairwoman Jinky, ang pre-trial order ay magiging Biblia. Ito po ay magiging roadmap ng impeachment hearing. So, lahat po ng hindi nasama dito ay hindi na po pwede maipresenta. Kasama na po doon yung araw. So, ibig sabihin, kung kinakailangan pa namin ng additional 10 days, pero 62 days lang ang sinabi namin, wala na, hindi na po pwede. Hanggang 62 days lang yung maximum na po pwede naming ikonsumo.
Okay. Last na lang po, and may iba tayo ng topic about doon sa school shooting doon sa Tacloban. There are calls na babaan daw ang age of criminal liability from 15 years old to 10 years old. What's your take po doon sa calls to decrease the criminal liability? Kasi nga, medyo debatable yung topic na yun. And yun nga, dahil nga sa school shooting sa Tacloban.
Alam po ninyo, maganda yung proposal na yan, pero siyempre kailangan alamin din natin, pakinggan din natin yung insights ng iba-ibang mga stakeholders, ng mga iba-ibang mga halimbawa ng DSWD, ng mga ibang mga eksperto po pagdating po dito.
Okay, we have one more question.
Follow-up lang po. Judeo Bernardo po of DTV News. Meron po kasing initial na sagot si Attorney Michael Poa kahapon with the media regarding po dun sa adoption of common evidence witnesses. Sabi po niya, let me just quote, they are entitled to their own opinion. Yung mirroring, yung pag-adopt, hindi daw po tamang gamitin yung ganito pong salita. And then, he said that he can remember, sabay daw po kayo nagpasa on the same day of the pre-trial brief. So, answer po ng prosecution.
May I hear again who commented that?
Si Attorney Michael Poa po.
Reason why we use the term adoption is because the witnesses and the documents have been presented as early as during the 19th Congress. Doon sa inquiry in aid of legislation ng Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, then presided by Congressman Joel Chua. Even the other evidence have been presented during the hearing, clarificatory hearing before the Justice Committee. So indeed, all these pieces of evidence have been publicized already. And that is why, to our understanding, our list of evidence were adopted by the defense. Nevertheless, we acknowledge that fact that they have their prerogative and judgment to choose what evidence to present in support of their defense.
Paano po pag hindi po sila sumagot dito formally? How will this affect your process din po sa impeachment?
What do you mean hindi sumagot formally?
Doon po sa, di ba pinapaspecify po natin sa kanila yung common witnesses. If they don't,
We have manifested that to the impeachment court, and we submit to the discretion of the court as to whether they will order the defense or not in making more specific the purpose for the presentation of these witnesses.
Okay, Jonathan, you have one last follow-up?
I-rephrase ko lang yung question ko. At ganito na lang po. Do you expect to see Mary Grace Piato sa impeachment trial?
Let's wait and see.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.